is Nurul binti Hishamudin, and I am University Utara Malaysia student. My message number is 279248. So for intermediate calculus, I want to go through in graphing in 3D or graphing in 3-dimensional section in chapter 1 of intermediate calculus. So, usually, we only learn about the 2-dimensional 2D graph in mathematics or calculus whenever we want to visualizing the behavior of a function. However, in chapter 1, function of several variables of intermediate calculus subject, we will go through and look up for another way to visualizing the behavior of two variables and consider its graph. So, what the ways that I mentioned before? The answer is graphing in 3D, and yes, in this section, we will learn about aspect of 3-dimensional 3D coordinate system. So here on my slide, we can see graphing in 2D and graphing in 3D. We will see a few difference between the graphing in 2D and graphing in 3D. In graphing 2D, we only have x-axis and y-axis. And then we only can see the 2D graph and maybe a square. But in graphing 3D, we have 3 axes, which is z-axis, y-axis, and x-axis. And we can this is called explain that we will see more and go through more about the plane in next section. Okay, so yeah, this is the graphing in 3D, and usually we will get a box or something that in 3D, 3-dimensional coordinate system. To locate in a point in space, 3 numbers are required. 3 numbers are required. We represent any point in space by an ordered triple A, B, and C of real numbers. In order to represent point in space, we first choose a fixed point O, or called the origin. And then we need to have 3 directed lines through O that are perpendicular to each other, or known as coordinate axes, which is x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So simply we will get this kind of graph. This is x-axis, this is z-axis, and then this will be the y-axis, and the origin will be here. Okay. So next, illustration that can help you understand more about graphing in 3D. So we have 2 illustrations that can help, which is room illustration and right-hand rule. Yeah, it is not illustration. Yeah, but can include in illustration, right? Okay, so for room illustration, you simply can just go look in your room or your house, and then find a corner that have wall, 2 wall, and then a floor. And then you can imagine that between the 2 wall is the z-axis, and then between the wall and the floor is x-axis and y-axis. So as a plane, we will go to more after this, but I just want to make you clear about the plane. So simply the wall can be xz plane, and another wall is yz plane, and then the floor will be xy plane. So that's for room illustration. While right hand rule, just point out your right hand and then make like this, okay, like this, and then this will be z-axis, this will be x-axis, and this will be y-axis. You just need to curve the fingers of your right hand around the z-axis in the direction of a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation from the positive y-axis to the positive x-axis. Just simple as that. Okay.
Okay, as I said before, we will go for the plane. So the xy plane contains the x and y axis. The yz plane contains the y and z axis. The xz plane contains the x axis and z axis. So how the figure will be? So it's just simple. This is z axis. This is x axis. Pardon, sorry. This is y axis. Let's label it y and z and then x. So origin, remember to put the origin. Origin will be here. Okay. So where is the xz? So before it said xz plane. xz plane. And then this zy. So it will be the yz plane. And then here will be xy plane. Just simple like that. So what if P is any point in space and we want to put it in the graph? So let's say P. Okay. First of all, we need to draw the line as usual, like usual. Draw the line. So this is y axis, this is x axis, this is z axis. So, yeah, don't forget the origin. Okay. In calculus, A is known as A. Okay, in calculus, A is known as x coordinate. A will be here, and then B is y coordinate will be here, and then C is the x coordinate, z coordinate. C is z coordinate. Okay. So how the figure will be? The figure will be like this. Here we go to like this, and then it just up like that. Let's say P is A, B, and C. So this is B, and then this is C. So if you still cannot understand, it's just simple like this. P, A, B, C. Let's say the value is 1, 2, and 3. So this is x, this is y, this is z. So x is equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to 3. Okay.
So for graphing in 3D, to make it easier for us to plot the graph and to see how the graph will be, we can use the Calculus Plot 3D apps or website in the Google. Just type the Calculus Plot 3D. Okay. So first we just it already give the axis, z axis, x axis, y axis, but we need to set up back the value of the point. And then let's say okay, before we go to the point, this is the plane. So this is the yz plane, this is xz plane, and then this will be the xy plane. So what we see, okay, this is for the point. 4, -4, -4, and then see x -4. Okay, -4, and then 3, y3, we will see here it's already 3. Okay, and then z -5. Okay, same goes with point 2. If it x3, y -2, and then z -6. Just as simple like that. Thank you. I hope this is okay, just simple as that. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain about graphing in 3D. So thank you. Bye bye.